one that they have there, the 1000.
Oh, okay.
These are the stock.
Like a car transmission on it.
From one of those. Because my Honda dealer is also a Kawasaki dealer, and he had.
So you've heard me say many times I'm not a Japanese bike guy. Now this Honda Talon pulls into the trailhead, and Steve is riding with us today with his son. And man, this Talon just looked great. And I couldn't get my eyes off that engine and transmission hanging off the back end with all that shiny aluminum. It was just extremely impressive.
Yeah,
You
those.
see guys beat on these, they never break anything. Look at this, how nice this is.
You've had
Yeah, look at how nice this
My
is.
last one was,
Dude,
was
they say that, look at,
just
Steve,
wanted
can
to
I open your door?
over your head here. That's all.
Steve, can I open your door?
Feel that
Yeah,
skid plate.
yeah.
Peter, feel that skid plate on there.
I don't feel it. Feel
Is
that.
it metal?
No, it's
Feel it.
plastic.
It's a half-inch thick.
Yeah.
1/4 inch.
It's half
Look,
inch.
look at this. Very nice. Very nice.
I bought it solely on hoping, you know, new model, first model year. Who knows how they are, but hopefully being a Honda, I bought it on
You'll be
50
all right.
and being good, you know.
Yeah, you'll be alright.
I haven't heard anything bad about them.
No, I haven't either.
And I haven't heard that they break.
Stop talking to him, man. He's gonna come on. You gotta get going.
I forgot. Don's doing double duty. Dave and Don today.
I got 2 rolls.
Are you experienced?
Don, you'll never hear me say they're not quality.
Oh no.
That thing reeks quality.
Oh, man. That's not even warmed up yet.
He's got the right tires on it too.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It drives me nuts when I see the side-by-sides and they still got 25s on.
If you've watched my intro in my last 3 or 4 videos, you can see that I have a picture of me in a Polaris Razor XP Pro and a Can-Am Maverick X3. I'm researching purchasing a performance side-by-side and never even considered looking at a Honda Talon. I was not a fan of my first ATV 2001 Honda Rubicon and wasn't considering the Honda Talon until Steve pulled into our trailhead with his Honda Talon. First time I've seen one up close. He detailed it beautifully. It was super clean. That engine and shiny transmission were hanging off the back just in front of the rear wheels. And watching him expertly drive this machine on the trail, you'll see that later in the video, I was thoroughly impressed. So this video is dedicated to his Honda Talon. Steve, thank you for sharing it. He's with his son this day on the trail. And if you're interested in buying a side-by-side, specifically a Honda Talon, you want to watch this video because you're going to see how it looks on the trail and how the suspension works. And it could take anything that Demon Run could throw at it. He's also got it equipped with 31-inch Carnivore tires, which are the perfect tire for this machine for trail riding. typical GoPro, the fisheye lens doesn't do these hills justice. This is a very off-camber section of the trail, and you can see, look at the top of the Talon roll bar. It's almost touching that tree. It may have even touched it. So Mikey lays down the dare. I have my Can-Am Outlander XTP Max with my 32-inch cryptic tires on it, and it is running great today. The suspension is adjusted beautifully. The 32-inch cryptics are not scuffing. It's riding nice. I have low tire pressure in it, and Mikey dares me, and I got to run up this hill and let it rip, and the Talon follows me up the hill.
Love it!
So I'm telling Talon Steve to follow me out of the Great Valley because I'll take him on a trail where his roll bar will not hit. Honda Talon has a 104 horsepower 2-cylinder engine mated to an automatic 6-speed transmission with a dual clutch. Dual clutch is similar to the clutches that are in an automatic Porsche and also the Honda Goldwing. Very similar clutching mechanisms. It's very efficient how it puts the power through that transmission to the tires. Probably equivalent from what I've heard to about 120, 130 horsepower Can-Am or Polaris. So it's very efficient and does very well on the trail. watch the front tires in the next series of videos where Steve hops a log on the trail. The front diff is not a lockout differential. It actually uses the brake, which applies electronically to the tire that is spinning to lock out the opposite tire, and it works extremely well. So pay attention as Steve hops this log.
That was awesome.
If you're not impressed with this, you should be. Back to back, Steve hops a 16 to 18 inch stump and log. First try, doesn't hesitate, and gets over it. I don't even think he spins the tire doing this. Very impressive. Credit the driver and the machine. I'd like to thank Steve for sharing his Talon with us in this video. Also thank all of you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you'll please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Please, if you ride motorsports, wear a helmet, and I hope to see you on the trail. Thank you for watching, and God bless.